Okay, here's the gated oscillator circuit using the 4011 CMOS NAND gate circuit from Forrest M. Mims' book Electronic Formulas, Symbols, and Circuits. Very simple. Shows a square wave. Let me get rid of that screen. When I hold the button, I think in order to hear it out of a speaker, I need to use a transistor, like in this example, the gated tone generator. Alright. Okay, I plugged it into a speaker. I'm like not 100% sure I did it right, but there is a very quiet tone. It's a pretty nice square wave. I'd be curious to put a filter on that. Make a little synthesizer or something. Alright. See you later.